Dear summer standard students, welcome back to this video session of Maths term 2. Now we are going to solve exercise 4.3. Let us get into the session.
Look at this exercise 4.3. First question. In an isosceles triangle, one angle is 76 degree. If the other two angles are equal, find the equal triangle, that is two angles. Let the two angles be x and x, because two angles are equal. So now we know that x plus third angle is 76 degree equal to 180 degree, because sum of three angles equal to 180 degree. So 2x plus 76 equal to 180 degree. So 2x equal to 180 degree. Here plus 76. Bring this side means minus 76. We get 2x equal to minus means 104 we get. So x equal to 104 divided by 2. So x equal to 52 degree. So each angle measures 52 degree. That is the answer. Second sum. If two angles of a triangle are 46 degree each, how can you classify the triangle? Listen. Given two angles of a triangle each equal to 46 degree. That means two angles are equal. Two angles are equal means therefore two sides are equal. Two sides are equal means what is the type of triangle? Therefore the triangle is a isosceles triangle. That is the answer. Third sum. If one angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the other two angles, find the type of triangle. Listen, for example, in angle ABC, listen, given one angle equal to sum of the other angle, addition of other angles, angle B equal to angle A plus C. We know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree, because sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now substitute the value of B angle A plus, instead of angle B we substitute this value. So angle A plus angle C plus angle C is there, 180 degree. So what is that? 2 angle A plus 2 angle C equal to 180 degree. 2. Now take the 2 as a common. So inside the bracket angle A plus C equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus C equal to what? Angle B. So angle B equal to angle A plus angle C. So instead of we substitute that, so that is 180 degree. Angle B equal to 180 degree divided by 2. So angle B equal to 90 degree. Listen, one of the angle of a triangle measures 90 degree. So therefore it is right angled triangle. That is the answer. Fourth sum, if the exterior angle of a triangle is 140 degree and its interior opposite angles are equal, find all the interior angles of the triangle. Listen, they given exterior angle, so that is 140 degree, angle ABC. It is 140 degree means the sum of the interior angles are equal to exterior angle. Listen, given exterior angle equal to 140 degree. Exterior angle, that means sum of interior opposite angles are 140 degree. Exterior angle equal to 140 degree means sum of interior angle opposite angles are 140 degree. So let the interior opposite angle be x. So x plus x equal to 140 degree, that is 2x equal to 140 degree. So x equal to 140 divided by 2, so x equal to 70 degree. So each angle 70 degree, here 70 degree and here 70 degree. What is the third angle? So two angles we know that. Sum of three angles equal to 180 degree. What are the angle? 70 degree plus 70 degree plus, we don't know the third angle, so third angle equal to 180 degree. So third angle equal to 180, here add means 140, so bring this side means minus 140 degree. So that is 40 degree. Third angle is 40 degree. Therefore the angles are (40 degree, 70 degree and 70 degree. That is the answer. Fifth sum, in triangle JKL. In triangle JKL, J equal to 60 degree, angle J equal to 60 degree and angle K equal to 40 degree. Now then find the value of exterior angle formed by extending the side KL. KL is extending and it formed as exterior angle. So we have to find out this one. Listen, write down what they given. Angle J equal to 60 degree, angle K equal to 40 degree. Exterior angle equal to, exterior angle equal to, we know that very well, this is the exterior angle, equal to sum of the opposite interior angle. Sum of interior opposite angles. What is the opposite interior angle? That is angle J plus angle K. That is 60 degree plus 40 degree equal to 100 degree. That is the exterior angle. So it is how much? 100 degree. That is the answer. Sixth sum, find the value of x in the given figure. Listen, where is x here? This angle. Write down what they given first. Angle DCB. Angle DCB equal to 100 degree. Next, angle DBA. This angle DBA equal to 128 degree. We know that angle CBD equal to, that means this angle CBD equal to CBD plus angle CBD plus angle DBA. This angle, this is a straight angle now, that is linear pair. So angle DBA equal to 180 degree. Next one, we don't know CBD. This one we don't know, but this we know that is 128 degree. DBA equal to 128 degree. So angle CBD equal to 180 minus 128. That is how much? 52 degree. Angle CBD. Now listen, this is 52 degree. Now what we have to find out? Exterior angle x. So what is exterior angle? Sum of the opposite interior angles. Okay, so exterior angle equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Interior opposite angles means 100 plus 52. So angle 100 degree plus 52 degree, that is equal to 152 degree. That is exterior angle x. That is the answer. So here 152 degree. That is the answer. Seventh sum, if triangle MNO is congruent to triangle DEF. So listen. Triangle MNO is congruent to triangle DEF. What they given first? Angle M equal to 60 degree. So angle M equal to 60 degree. Angle E equal to 45 degree. Listen. Given triangle MNO is congruent to triangle DEF. So angle M equal to 60 degree means D is also 60 degree. D is also 60 degree. That is equal to angle D. And then angle E equal to 45 degree. That means N is also 45 degree. Equal to angle N. Now we want to find out O. Listen, we know the two angles in MNO triangle. From that we have to find out, we know that angle M plus angle N plus angle O equal to 180 degree. In triangle MNO. From the triangle MNO, sum of the three angles equal to 180 degree. We know that M, what is that? 60 degree plus N equal to 45 degree plus angle O equal to 180 degree. We don't know O. So angle O equal to, here add this means we get 105 degree. So add this means 105 degree plus angle O equal to 180 degree. From that angle O equal to 180 degree minus 105 degree. So angle O equal to 75 degree. So the value of angle O is 75 degree. That is the answer. Eighth sum. In the given figure, ray AZ bisect angle BAD and angle DCB. Prove that triangle BAC is congruent to triangle DAC and AB equal to AD. Listen. That is angle BAD, that is C. Bisect AZ means AZ is a ray that bisect BAD. So prove that triangle BAC is congruent to triangle DAC. Listen. In triangle BAC and triangle DAC, angle BAC equal to angle DAC, right? Angle BAC equal to angle DAC because AZ bisect angle A. Next, angle BCA is equal to angle DCA. Angle BCA equal to angle DCA. AZ bisect angle C. So listen here, AC is common side. And it is equal. So listen, here angle equal and the sides are equal, again the angle equal. So angle side angle. So by ASA criterion, triangle BAC is congruent to triangle DAC. That is the first one. Next, AB equal to side AD. How will you tell that? In the angle AB equal to AD. From the figure, AZ angle rays AZ bisect angle A. Therefore, angle BAC equal to angle DAC. So therefore BA equal to DA. That means AB equal to AD. That is the answer. Ninth sum, in the given figure FG equal to FI. FG equal to FI. So it is isosceles triangle, right? And H is the midpoint of GI. H is the midpoint of GI. Therefore GH equal to HI, right? So prove that triangle AFGH and FHI. How will you prove that? Listen. In triangle FGH and FHI, given FG equal to FI. FG equal to FI, and also GH equal to HI, because H is the midpoint of GI. Next one. So therefore in two triangle FH is the common side. So FH equal to FH, common side. Listen, here also equal, here also equal, and this one also equal. Therefore by side, three sides are equal, no? So yes, criterion, triangle FGH is congruent to FHI, hence proved. That is the answer. 10th sum, using the given figure prove that the triangles are congruent. Can you conclude that AC is parallel to DE? Let me see. Angle AB equal to BE. In this figure, angle AB equal to BE. Sorry, angle side AB equal to BE. Next, angle BC, side BC equal to side BD. Now angle ABC equal to angle DBE, right? This one are equal, these two angles are equal. How? That is vertically opposite angles are equal. Listen, from that side, from this criterion by side angle side, that is SAS criterion, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DBE. Now what we have to conclude? AC is parallel to DE. Listen, CD is transversal to AC and DE. From this figure, AC is transversal, CD is transversal to AC and DE. This one is transversal, means this also the transversal, that means AE also transversal to AC and DE. So interior opposite angles are equal here. This is an angle A equal to angle E and angle C equal to angle D. Interior opposite angles, right? Interior opposite angles are equal. So we conclude that. So we can conclude AC is parallel to DE. That is the answer. 11th sum. In given figure, BD equal to BC. BD equal to BC. Find the value of x. So we want to find out this value. Listen. Write down what they given. Given BD equal to BC. Two sides are equal means this triangle is isosceles triangle. So that implies triangle BDC is an isosceles triangle. From that, isosceles triangle means two sides are equal means two angles are also equal. So angle D equal to angle C. Therefore, angle D equal to angle C. Now, we know that angle BCD equal to plus angle BCX equal to 180 degree. And this two angles means we get 180 degree. What is that reason? Linear pair. So we know that angle BCD plus angle BCX equal to 180 degree. Now angle BCD we don't know. Angle BCX is what? 115 equal to 180 degree. So angle BCD equal to 180 degree minus 115 degree. We get how much? 65 degree. Angle BCD equal to 65 degree means here 65 means D is also 65. Listen here, in this triangle angle BAD the exterior angle of D is 65 degree. We know that. So that is exterior angle. For what angle? Two angles, that is A and B. Therefore, now angle D is the exterior angle of angle A and angle B. Angle D, that is BDC. BDC is the exterior angle of angle A and angle B. So what is the procedure? Sum of the interior angle. Interior opposite angles equal to exterior angles. Interior opposite angle means which one? A and B. So angle A plus angle B equal to exterior angle BDC, that is 65. Angle A is what? 35 degree plus B is x equal to 65. Now x equal to 65 degree minus 35 degree, x equal to 30 degree. That is the value of x. That is the answer. 12th sum. In the given figure, find the value of x. Listen, we want to find out this one. First, here angle LMK. This angle is exterior to these two angles, right? Angle LMK is exterior to angle L and angle M. So angle LMK equal to exterior angle equal to sum of the opposite interior angles. We know that is L plus N. What is L here? 26 degree and N 30 degree. So 56 degree. Which one? Angle LMK. LMK, that is how much? 56 degree. We find out. Now in triangle JMK, X is the exterior angles. Angle to, this is the exterior angle, no? In this triangle, to angle K and angle M. Now what we have to do? Exterior angle equal to sum of the interior opposite angles. So that is angle K plus angle M. That is 58 plus 56. We get 114 degree. That is X value. That is the answer. 13th sum. In the given figure, find the value of X and Y. Here they given X and Y. Listen. Here angle BAC plus angle BAX. This angle and this angle we can add, means we should add, means we get the 180 degree. What's the reason? That is linear pair. So angle here, angle BAC plus angle BAX equal to 180 degree. What is BAC? That is Y degree plus BAX equal to 62 degree equal to 180 degree. Reason? Linear pair. So Y equal to 180 minus 62 degree. So Y equal to 118 degree. Now we find out here 118 degree. So next, we know that sum of three angles of a triangle in ABC. In triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Angle A is what? Y, that is we find out Y plus 28 plus x equal to 180 degree. Now we found that y value, that is 118 plus 28 plus x equal to 180 degree. Now add this means we get 146 degree plus x equal to 180. So x equal to 180 degree minus 146, x equal to 34 degree. That is the value of x. That's the answer. 14th sum. In triangle DEF, angle F equal to 48 degree, angle E equal to 68 degree, and bisector of angle D meets at G. Find FGD. This one we want to find out. Now listen. In triangle FDE, in triangle DEF or FDE, the sum of the three angles is 180 degree. Sum of the three angles are 180 degree. That is sum of the triangle property, angle F plus angle D plus angle E equal to 180 degree. Sum of three angles of a triangle. So angle F we know that 48 degree, angle D we don't know, write down as it is, angle E is 68 degree equal to 180 degree. So angle D equal to 180 degree minus 48 plus 68, 116. So that is 64 degree. Angle D equal to 64 degree. Now FDG. What is FDG here? This angle we want to find out now. We can find out. How? Totally 64 degree. From that, angle FDG means how much? Angle FDG equal to angle D by 2, because bisector of angle D meets at F at G. So angle D is bisect at G. It is bisect means divided by 2. So angle D is what? 64 by 2, that is equal to 32 degree. That is angle FDG. Now listen, we know this angle and this angle from the triangle FDG. Here 48 degree, here 32 degree. So what is that degree? G. Now we know that triangle FDG, angle F plus angle D plus angle G equal to 180 degree. Sum of the three angles again. So F is 48 degree plus D is 32 degree plus angle G equal to 180 degree. Now angle G equal to 180 degree minus, what is the value of 48 plus 32? 48. 48 plus 32, 80. So angle G equal to 180 minus 80, 100. So we find that is 100 degree. That is the answer. 15th sum. In the figure, find the value of x. Listen, observe this figure. Triangle S equals 75 degree, here T equal to 105 degree and P equal to 90 degree, R equal to 145 degree, here X. Listen, angle SPT. As that angle SPT, that means this angle equal to SPT plus PST. This is the exterior angle, no? So exterior angle equal to sum of these two angles, interior opposite angles. So angle SPT plus angle PST equal to angle UTP. Okay, that is exterior angle. So SPT what? SPT we don't know. So SPT plus PST is 75 degree equal to 105 degree. That is exterior angle. Now SPT equal to 105 degree minus 75 degree means we get SPT equal to 30 degree. So this is 30 degree. Now we want to find out this P or PQ. Listen, RPQ equal to angle SPT plus TPR. Now angle RPQ equal to this three angles we add means we get 180 degree, right? That is linear pair. So RPQ plus RPQ plus RPT plus TPS equal to 180 degree. Reason, linear pair. Listen, this is 180 degree. So this three angles make this 180 degree. So RPQ we don't know. RPQ plus RPT equal to 90 degree. This symbol denotes 90 degree plus TPS, that is 30 degree, equal to 180 degree. So RPQ equal to 180 minus 90 plus 30, 120. Bring this side means minus 120. That is equal to how much? 60 degree. RPQ equal to 60 degree. So this one 60 degree. Next, what's that? This value. Listen, this two angles add means 180 degree. What is the reason? Linear pair. So what is that? QRP also QRP plus QRV equal to 180 degree. That is linear pair. QRP is we want to find out. So we don't know. QRP plus QRV that is 145 degree equal to 180 degree. So angle QRP equal to 180 minus 145 degree means we get QRP equal to 35 degree. So this one is 35 degree. Now what we have to do? X angle we want to find out, that is exterior angle of this interior angles. So in triangle PQR, exterior angle PQY equal to sum of these two angles, angle QPR and PRQ, angle QPR plus PRQ. So PQY is X equal to QPR that is 60 degree plus QRP or PRQ that is 35 degree, add means 95 degree, that is X value. So that is 90 degree. That is the answer. 16th sum. From the given figure, find the value of y here. Listen, y. Observe this figure. ACB equal to XCY. Angle ACB equal to angle XCY. What's the reason? Vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So angle C equal to 48 degree. Therefore angle ACB equal to 48 degree. Next one. Here 48 degree. So we want to find out this one first. So angle CBD. Totally this CBD is exterior angle. No, angle CBD is an exterior angle. Angle CBD is exterior angle of angle which one? BAC and ACB. BAC and ACB. So listen, therefore angle CBD equal to angle BAC plus angle ACB, right? This exterior angle equal to addition of this two opposite angles, interior opposite angle. And then now CBD is split into CBE and EBD. CBD is split into CBE and EBD. Therefore CBD equal to CBE plus EBD equal to BAC equal to what? 57 degree and ACB 48 degree. Here CBE equal to 65 degree they given. Angle EBD equal to how much is this? Add means we get 105. Now EBD equal to 105 minus 65 degree. So angle EBD equal to 105 minus 65 degree means 40 degree we get. Now this is 40 degree. Listen, in triangle EBD, in triangle EBD, which one is the exterior angle? BDZ is the exterior angle. Angle BDZ is exterior to which one? DBE and BED. Therefore, angle BDZ equal to angle DBE plus angle BED, because sum of interior opposite angles is the exterior angle. So angle BDZ is what? BDZ is Y. Write this one. BDZ equal to angle DBE plus angle BED. BDZ equal to Y. DBE that is 40 degree. We found that DBE or EBD is 40 degree plus BED, that is 97 degree. How much is this? Add means we get 137 degree. That is the value of Y. Here exercise 4.3 is over. So children, practice well. I'll see you again in next exercise. Thank you.